Ever wondered how a starfish eats? The ocean, it's a realm teeming with a spectacular array of life, a habitat that is as mysterious as it is vast. Within its depths, you'll find creatures that are as enchanting as they are peculiar. Take the humble starfish, for instance, a creature that might seem simple at first glance, but holds within it secrets that continue to captivate our curiosity. This star-shaped inhabitant of the sea isn't just a pretty face. Its feeding habits are a marvel of nature's design. Unlike us humans, who consume our food internally, the starfish has a rather unconventional approach. It eats not by swallowing, but by an extraordinary process that defies our usual understanding of eating. And here's where it gets really interesting. The starfish, it feeds by pushing its stomach out of its body, extruding it onto its meal, and digesting the food right there, out in the open. Well, a starfish, my friends, eats by extruding its stomach out of its body and digesting its prey right there in the open. Can you guess which sea creature can become invisible at will? Let's dive a little deeper into the world of the ocean's most elusive predator, the octopus. This fascinating creature has a unique ability that some might even equate to a superpower. Picture this: you're a tiny fish swimming along the ocean floor, and suddenly you're ambushed by what seemed like a harmless piece of coral. That's the octopus for you, the master of disguise. This creature has an amazing capacity to change its skin color and even texture to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. This is all thanks to specialized cells in their skin called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments that can be manipulated to reflect light in various colors. Imagine having a personal camouflage suit that can mimic the exact pattern and color of anything you're near. It's like being a chameleon, but underwater and on steroids. But that's not all. What's even more astonishing is that the octopus can alter the texture of its skin to match the roughness or smoothness of the terrain around it. So if it's near a rocky outcrop, its skin can take on a bumpy, rugged appearance. And if it's near sandy seabed, it can make its skin smooth and flat. This incredible feat is achieved thanks to muscular contractions that can reshape the surface of the skin, creating ridges, bumps, or even spikes. This ability to become invisible at will serves a dual purpose. On one hand, it's a defensive mechanism that allows the octopus to hide from predators. On the other hand, it's an offensive strategy, enabling the octopus to sneak up on its prey undetected. Talk about a double-edged sword. So, the next time you're snorkeling or diving and you see a patch of coral or a mound of sand that seems a bit off, take a closer look. It might just be an octopus, lying in wait, ready to demonstrate its remarkable disguise skills. That's right, the octopus, a master of disguise, can become virtually invisible to evade predators and surprise prey. Do you know which is the largest animal in the ocean? That's right, it's the blue whale. This gentle giant of the ocean is a marvel of nature, with a size that is truly mind-boggling. Imagine, if you will, a creature so large that its heart alone is the size of a small car. That's the blue whale for you. Stepping into the world of the blue whale is like venturing into the realm of the titans. These marine mammals can reach lengths of up to 100 feet. That's longer than 3 school buses lined up end to end. And yet, despite their gargantuan size, these whales are surprisingly graceful swimmers, gliding through the ocean depths with an ease that belies their massive bulk. But what does such a large creature eat, you might ask? The answer is surprisingly small: krill. These tiny shrimp-like organisms form the bulk of a blue whale's diet. During feeding season, a single blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill in a day. That's like eating over 16,000 pounds of popcorn at a movie. As for their migration patterns, blue whales are true globetrotters. They spend their summers feeding in the cold, nutrient-rich waters of the polar regions and then migrate thousands of miles to the tropics for the winter. Along these epic journeys, they navigate with a precision that would put any GPS to shame, always returning to the same feeding and breeding grounds year after year. So, there you have it. The blue whale is a creature of superlatives: the largest, the strongest, the longest. Yet, despite their size and strength, they remain one of the most gentle and peaceful creatures in the ocean, living a life of quiet majesty beneath the waves. Indeed, the blue whale, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet, is the largest creature in the ocean and on Earth. So, which sea creature can take the deepest plunge and hold its breath for a heart-stopping duration? You must be wondering, right? Well, the answer is the sperm whale, a majestic giant that has truly mastered the art of deep-sea diving. The largest of the toothed whales, the sperm whale, takes the cake for the deepest and longest dives amongst all sea creatures. They dive over 2,000 meters deep into the ocean's abyss in pursuit of their beloved meal squids. Now envision this, a creature nearly as large as a school bus, diving deeper than 5 Eiffel Towers stacked on top of each other. It paints quite a picture, doesn't it? Such feats have even the most seasoned marine biologists gasping in amazement. But the marvel doesn't end there. They stay underwater for up to 90 minutes. That's your average feature film duration, folks. But let's not overlook other magnificent divers of the sea. The leatherback sea turtle, for instance, is the deepest diving reptile, capable of reaching depths of 1,200 meters. And then we have the emperor penguin, the deepest diving bird that can dive to a depth of over 500 meters. These breathtaking feats are possible due to several physiological adaptations, like a high oxygen storage capacity. And for the sperm whale, such deep dives serve a dual purpose: food and safety. The deeper they dive, the farther they are from predators like killer whales. So next time you dive into a pool and emerge gasping for breath, spare a thought for the astounding diving champions of the sea. These creatures serve as a reminder of the fascinating mysteries of the deep sea waiting to be discovered. So the deepest divers of sea are the sperm whale, the leatherback sea turtle, and the emperor penguin. Can you guess which sea creature is the fastest swimmer? Well, if you're thinking about a sleek, streamlined fish with an impressive dorsal fin, you're on the right track. It's the sailfish, the speed demon of the deep blue sea. The sailfish isn't just a pretty face. It's an extraordinary creature that has adapted to life in the fast lane. The sailfish can reach jaw-dropping speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Now, you might be wondering, how does it manage such astonishing speeds? Well, the answer lies in its unique body design. The sailfish is long and slender, with a pointed bill and a large, crescent-shaped tail. This design allows it to cut through the water with minimal resistance, much like a torpedo. And then there's that long, slender bill. While it may look like a fancy accessory, it actually plays a crucial role in hunting. The sailfish uses its bill to slash at schools of smaller fish, stunning them and making them easy prey. This efficient hunting strategy, combined with its blistering speed, makes the sailfish a formidable predator. But the sailfish isn't all about speed and hunting. Its most iconic feature is its large dorsal fin, or sail, which can be raised or lowered depending on the situation. When the sail is raised, it creates a large, intimidating silhouette, which can be used to confuse or scare off predators. When it's lowered, the sailfish becomes a streamlined speed machine, ready to chase down its next meal. So there you have it. The sailfish, a creature that combines speed, agility, and a unique hunting strategy to secure its place as the fastest swimmer in the ocean. It's a perfect example of nature's ingenuity, demonstrating how animals have evolved to survive and thrive in their specific environments. Yes, the sailfish, with speeds of up to 68 miles per hour, is the ocean's fastest swimmer. Isn't the ocean full of fascinating creatures? We've traversed from the surface to the deepest depths, unveiling the astonishing diversity of marine life. From the elusive invisible hunter, a master of disguise with a deadly strike, to the gentle giant, a behemoth of the ocean whose size belies its tranquil nature. We've met the deep-sea diver, a creature capable of withstanding the immense pressures of the ocean's depths, and the fastest swimmer, an animal built for speed that could outpace the quickest human athletes. Each one unique, each one a testament to the magnificent adaptability of life in the sea. These creatures, and countless others, make up the rich tapestry of our oceans. They remind us of the wonders that lie beneath the surface, hidden from our eyes, but vital to our world. So, next time you dip your toes in the ocean, remember the wondrous creatures that may be swimming beneath.